Hello dudes and dudettes. Today's mission. The rats have decided to chew my under bonnet or hood, depending on what part of the world you're from, the under bonnet insulation. And they've had a real good go at it. Oops, sorry. They just slide in underneath and then you lever up and, well, that was hard. So they're all now off. Easy done, piece of cake. There's a lot of them, but they're all out. All good and clean, looking good. The isopropyl alcohol works good, just get it off very quickly. Dudes, dudettes. So, situation is, pull all these off. One layer of glue, first layer down, second layer of glue, second layer down. Piece of cake. Here goes nothing, wish me luck. Oh, that's weird. That is weird stuff. Oh, that's really weird stuff. You know what? I don't actually think I need it. Doesn't have to be great, it just has to stick. Oh, this is a bad idea. I'll come back to you. Very nearly forgot something really important. Got to clear out your nozzle. Always good to have a clear nozzle. I'll go it up. Bit of that, give it, yeah, bit of that, bit of that, bit of that, bit of that. Whoa. This is when I find out that contact adhesive melts paint from the inside, and I've turned the bonnet over and it's all frazzled. No, just kidding. Right, there you go. Layer one. Well, that actually wasn't as hard as I thought. I'm resorting to CAD. Gotta love a bit of cardboard aided design. I have to get this shape. So it's this line here. So I've got to get this shape down through here, along here, through there, down there, all the way along there, around there. Let's go. Along. To there. And that's about it. Right. First guess. Have a look. I've cut that around the shape that I need. Yeah, it's not pretty, but when I actually lay the lines in, I'll allow a little bit. Crappy scissors? Scissors? Or $30 shears? Shears. Yeah, they're not kidding. Over the truth. Yep, that'll fit down to there, that'll fit down to there, that'll fit to there, and that'll fit to there, and that'll all go in there, and Bob's your uncle, sorry your aunt. Did not ask for Uncle Fred. It's a scary bit. It's a scary bit. Got to get this started. So I figure I'm going to start in the middle, peel the backing off a little bit, lay in this piece, and then once it's set there, I guess I can just start to peel and start, I guess I start along here. It's easy to blind man to his dead dog. Get this in the middle. Now I'm presuming it's not moved, so that's the first little piece that I'm laying in. let's call it done. And that bit's important, remember that bit. But it does give it a lot actually. I think we're onto something. I don't want to see all the air holes in behind here, so I've got to be careful with that. So let's see if I can roll this back and get to the edge of the sticky without causing any problems. Yeah. So I should be able to just start laying this straight down in the middle. It's kind of fun, nerve-wracking, fun. I'm hoping I can make an impression. I generally do make an impression, not necessarily always the right way, but nah, it's pretty cool. And people can think what they want. Yeah, look at that. We have impressions. Okay, so I'm going to make a hole. Alright. 1, 2. If you just start, this stuff's actually it's really good. So, what was that brand again? I'll start to give it more of a push. What's it called? Bonnet Premium Insulation. Car Builders. The brand is literally called Car Builders. Under bonnet insulation. It's very good. So yeah, kudos to those guys. But yeah, it's a good product. It works very well. This is really starting to come together and start to look the part. And I'm going to be so happy with this when it's done. These little ridge lines are really dead chuffed with this. Dead chuffed with this. Now this is, I've got to be real careful here. I only want to take this to this line. I need to make a very long curve. So start from the middle, which is about there. Give yourself enough. Alright, let's get the rest of this backing off, shall we? All there. Stick. Stick down in there. Really, it's there. Okay, finally, at last. Yeah, that was a interesting thing to do, but pretty happy with it. Still got the edges to do. I've got to work that out. But using this edge rather than bringing it over, I'm hoping I've got enough left. But all in all, it's not bad. Not bad for a complete beginner. There it is. So, yep, I can recommend that stuff. It's good, it's fine. I'm glad I put the extra layers in. It's made a nice finish. But yeah, all in all, pretty happy, and managed to do a join along the base of that to make the side bits come up. So I ended up not having to have a large piece. I just had to adapt what I'd got. So sacrifice some off the front here to make it so I could fit it up the sides. But that's it. Job is done. Yeah, pretty happy. So if you enjoyed it, like, subscribe, please, that would be awesome. I'm buggered, but yeah, really happy now. Dudes, dudettes, so there you have it. That's it. She's all in, looking nice. Very happy with it, how it's come out, considering I'm a complete and utter novice. Never done this before, but that stuff's very good. That horrible blue pipe's going, cannot stand that. So yeah, there it is. Couple of days work, but I took my time. You probably could do it in a day, and I did the extra layers, but hopefully you enjoyed it. It's a fun little project. It's well worth trying if you're any good with this kind of stuff. Have fun, enjoy yourselves, take care, and please like and subscribe. It'd be awesome. So next, what do I do next? Ta-tas.